I tended to take my business to the next level and be able to offer it to my customers.
Just learn more. Paint correction was a big thing that I really wanted to zone in on. Yeah, it's going pretty good.
Enhance my paint correction skills as well as introduce Hawaii to a new product.
I decided to attend to get more hands-on experience and to learn more about the paint corrections and the Jade product.
To open our horizons with we have a car wash in Columbus, Ohio, which is called the Glove Wash LLC, which I'm a co-owner of. Just open it, give our basic customers and the dealers another option to better our business and better their cars to sell.
Just trying to, take my business to the next level. Me and my brother, my big brother, we got a family-owned business, so we're just trying to, go to the next level, man. Sky is unlimited.
To take the detailing business to the next level and get certified and provide my customers with top-notch service.
I recently acquired a 1984 Cadillac Seville, and I want to take care of it, and I want to find a way to use that car to lead me to other places, to help people love their cars as much as I love mine. And I think ceramic coating is a great way to help you love your car.
A lot of my customers have been asking me about ceramic coating, so I wanted to come and get the gist of it.
Get me more clientele.
The big thing was the Carfax. That's the #1 thing. I think that'll get a lot of customers' attention and, make it worth their money.
I think it'll increase customer retention. I also think just by introducing a new product lineup will give us more customer base.
Definitely get new customer base and get into the Carfax and just get our name out there.
Just to give out more business, quality business, and to gain more business.
It can definitely bring a lot more money into our business with this new service that we can offer with the new ceramic coating that we learned here today at this training.
It could, offer customers it's going to be easier for them to maintain the vehicle. It's not going to be complicated, and it's just less that they have to do.
Well, I don't have a business per se, but I believe if you can give people one less thing to do in life, no matter, people have so many chores and duties, if you have more ease with your automobile, less complexity, I think it just makes everything else you do better.
I think it's going to really boost my business. It's a great product, and it's going to do wonders for the cars.
It's great. I learned a lot from the seminar today.
Great. Very informative and learning a lot.
What do you think about it so far? Good. Hands-on training, great instructors.
I loved it. It's great information.
It helped me out in numerous of ways. It's given me more vision of what chemicals are better to use on what kind of cars, and what different tools to use to help our business. So it's given us a great deal of help.
Oh, it's awesome. I'm learning stuff every minute over there with different types of flexes. Not flex is over with. It's all about the rupees. So just learning how to operate the rupees and the different chemicals that go with that, and the amazing finish, the before and after is just, it's blowing me away.
I'm very impressed with how people are observing you, watching you, correcting you, and helping you.
Great, man. Really detailed, hands-on, great.
Absolutely, 100%.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely recommend.
Oh, definitely.
Yes, and I will, after I'm done.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Anybody that can hear me or that watched this, it's definitely something you might want to look into.
Yes, I would, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, absolutely. If you love cars and you want to help people love theirs, this is the place to be.
Oh yeah, most definitely.